ना लायसन दिल तुम्ही तुमगे काम कित्याक तुम्ही वचून रिस्पेक्ट करपाचें बाबतीत आमी तुमकां लायसन दिल्या सारकें आसा काम ती लोकां वचून दीस पडटा ती लोकां दीस पडटा हांव ते शेतां 4 म्हयने पयलीं हांवें पुलीस कंप्लेंट केल्लें विदावट एनी कंप्लेन बिकॉज हांवें पयलो म्हण पुलीस कंप्लेन करून पुलिशी आपयले आनी तेका हाडून सांगिल्लें ओनर कोण काटींग करता पुलिसान तेका धरून हाडलो बरें बरें तेन्ना म्हाका तेणें लायसन्स दाखयलें आपल्या डिसिप्लीन क्लियरन्स सो हांव मागीर रावलो.
Okay, now, madam, without delay much time, you issue a stop work order and one copy you address to Kumbolim police station.
Correct.
So we will put the police there so that nobody will do any hill cutting further.
परमिशन घेवची
Start workshop पहिली day.
No, no, you were part of the team.
Yes.
Now, what did you observe there as a technical team? What were your observations?
Sir, now
No, not now. When you are going, when the DCP says we are giving the clearance, it comes to the local body, like the municipality panchayat. What are you supposed to observe? What is your protocol as a technical team? What are you supposed to observe there?
sir, we have told them to bring all the forest and tree cutting and so. I have put all my reports.
No, forest example. दुसरे.
Sir, WR सगळे रिपोर्ट घातलेले आसा.
WR कडे किती मागेला तुम्ही?
सर आम्ही मागेल ना सर ते घेता
किती घातला?
तांची एनओसी घेवपाची म्हणून.
हय, मग त्यांनी दिला एनओसी दिला.
सर आम्ही ताका फक्त प्रोविजनल दिला. Not final.
No, no, no. See, I'm not going into those intricacies, whether it is provisional, permanent or final. My question is, you are a technical team.
Yes.
When you are going there, you have to observe for all those things. So what have you observed? To the water resource department. What do you want from the water resource department?
No, say you wanted that.
What do you wanted from the water resource department?
From their NOC.
Who's NOC?
WRD, Forest.
Okay. Now, did you mention as a technical team that there's a river by the side?
Sir, we are putting conditions in there.
No, not your conditions. I'm asking you. You are a technical team. You are a local person. The water resource department is sitting somewhere else. My question is very simple. Have you told them that locally there is a river which is joining the major river of the south called the river Sal in our territory?
Sir, आम्ही ताका तिथून घालून दिता condition.
One question, WID given any NOC to them?
Not at this point.
See, this is the reason, this is a catch point. That's why I was asking you what you are supposed to observe. Now, as a technical team, you are supposed to get an NOC from the WRD. Without getting that, you are saying, Kam chalu. So why do we need you? You tell me, why do we need you? Then we can all do the work for
There
it.
is no NOC from NH also, National Highway.
One more thing, sir.
That
That point has been mentioned in the license which you people have been issued to him. That without the WRD clearance, you cannot start the work. That point has to be conditioned.
No. Take a duty can go. Can you report WRD, NOC, then the higher authorities have to decide after. We cannot catch hold of that basic officer.
No, but he is
There
a
are
technical man.
But he put no.
He the junior.
No, we are down.
But he has put no condition.
He has to
NOC from
report it.
WRD.
Yeah, I have reported.
He has reported. NHR guidelines, National Highway. Again, they are doing the red mud road to the.
How they can do it now? Samaka.
And they are taking stock of order. They have to take.
And 40 meter setback is required,
Yeah, from
because
your-
it is a national highway.
From that point, then who you have to catch hold responsible? If he is washing his hands.
He is not washing. He cannot wash it.
No, he has done his job.
He has
yes,
put
yes.
his report.
Okay, he has put his report.
We cannot 100%
Then who is the
What is that?
then who is the other one?
His superior is there too.
Like a
Superior
superior
is there, and madam is there. Madam on Sakshan is there.
Then we
They
have
have
to see in this source then now.
बरं आता टाइप करणार कोणाक टाइप करपाला बेगीन nothing is wrong.
We are not going until
पण ते आम्ही थिंगच ना आम्ही ती वर्कशॉप ऑर्डर घेवची आवश्यक नाही कळलं तुका नो we will not move from this place.
Listen. I now सांगत ना. You won't get license.
Correct.
At
Correct.
present.
On the base of the complaint
And
given by
Magi,
all Kunkola.
based on all the villagers of people of Pogole. त्यातून करपाचें आनी तांकां कितें बियॉन्ड दॅट लिमीट सो तुमी म्हणटा लायसन्स दिलें नो इट फायन तुमी लायसन्स दिलें बियॉन्ड दॅट लायसन्स तुमचें परमिशन तेच भायर कितू जालें म्हाका इन्क्वायरी जाय वॉन्ट टू नो सेकंड सो तुमी जे पॉयंट तुका न्हू ही तुगे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुमगेली इंजिनियर जावं यू हॅव रिस्पॉन्सिबल यू आर द टेक्निशियन CO is not a technician. I was also not a technician. Municipal councillor also not a technician. You are the two technicians out there. ME and you. You have to see whether they gone beyond that limit or not.
आणि सर रस्त्याकडे जाता ते लोकांना दोळ्या वयता सामकी हे
I'm thinking, I without complaint, I apologize official complaint tell them along with that owner, but then license government amount license so license तुम्ही issue केले that license दिले तुमचे मागपावर municipality has the right to give license. So तुम्ही issue केले तुम्ही आता तुम्ही दिसणार कोणाकडची आहे कौन्सिलर पासून दिसणार तिथून हिल काढून जाते तुमचं पाहिजे बाबा किती लिमिट दिलो ना मग त्याचं
And most importantly, that's a water aquifer. River is by the side, it's a water aquifer. We are going to ruin the water resource for our own village. When will life exist? When the water aquifer will be destroyed. So, we will go to the kappa gele. My butter ki kam.
We are blessed with this
We have the
marvelous
water rights.
at the United National Gathering of Kadak.
Okay, you're going for inspection now.
No, we are not going for any inspection.
No,
You- Madam, what we are suggesting is that based on the complaint of Volga, you give us the license right now and give us for the
No, otherwise, एक suggestion के पास you send your J right now and see the difference. Whatever you issue license, then तो report दे कितना किस डाल दे, तुम license कितना दिलवाले हैं, कितना bill काढी डालना तो report based on that report जो है तो correct जो
बिल्कुल.
that is the procedure.
તેમ લાયસન્સ કન્ડિશન ગાયલે કે કન્ડિશન નહીં
Simply then license then complaint देऊन त्याला जो करून
ती व्हडले बोल्डर आसा बोल्डर म्हळ्यार दोन लॅटराइट कोण आसा तो हाय जाता की तू पातळ जाता आणि हाय जाता की पाषण जाता ते आता ते दोन्ही त्यांनी त्या पातळ त्यांनी फोडवा लागल्या माय क्वेश्चन टू यू एज अ टेक्निकल टीम मॅडम वुडंट नो आय वुडंट नो त्या फादर तांच्यानी हे व्हडले बोल्डर फोडवा जाता एज अ टेक्निकल टीम माय क्वेश्चन टू यू स्ट्रेट
Doesn't intend the permission mines department आणि कोणाचे आलो.
तू हे घातला
आणि condition आहे.
मायन्स डिपार्टमेंट घातला
Yes.
मग त्यांनी दिला
નો they will not get up.
This is what I'm trying to tell you. So you have given a conditional thing. They have already gone beyond that
Can I call
condition.
DCP now? Otherwise, along with him, DCP member I call.
Yes, why not?
ना पळय फास्ट पळय तातूंत गोष्ट अशी आसा एक म्हणल्यार तांकां सिटीन लायसन्स दिलें ताणें आपणाची कंडिशन घातला आसा work should not have been started till all those permissions are being obtained from the concerned department. One is from the water resource department. Second one is from the mines. कित्याक तेमी त्या पाटणाच्या कुपात्राचे पात्राचे फोडल्या बरें हे आतां गेले सॅटर्डे संडे हे सॅटर्डे संडे आनी ताजे पयलीं सॅटर्डे संडे 3 वीक जाले 21 days it is going on. Nobody has observed. Now you are a technical team, you should have seen there what work is going on. Not wait till the people come over here because you are the man who is being paid for it. Right? So you all should have seen, the technical team should have gone and seen. If he has not obtained that, you all should have immediately revoked the whole license as well as the approval and given a stop order work. So that stop work order dili ki na तितल्याचे कारणच आशिल्ले. तुमचे ते जाऊ ना. So it doesn't mean that okay once I finish it off, I am putting conditions, giving it to you, you carry on the way you want to do. आतो पार्लियामेंट तशी जायना न्ही ते. It is gradualness of law of gradualness. That is what is happening here.
Highway कोण मोठं आम्ही तर दाम कुठे काम
Basically, you have let the work go on without the approvals of these three departments, concerned departments. No? You don't have approval from this.
तो आता वर्ष मध्ये तुझ्या कोणाकोवर पुलिस वाद बराबर आमचं तो एक्झॅक्ट रिपोर्ट दे की सायन्सचा रिपोर्ट दे बेस्ड ऑन दॅट रिपोर्ट यू विल टेक ऍक्शन
તો રોડ લોક બોલતો એને જે પાડ લેના ગો રોડ પાટી ગયેલા ગવર્નમેન્ટ રોડ કરો
As per see, as
उदक
per
पळय आता न्ही वयले उदक येता पळय ते उदक चोकींग जाता ते. That water has to flow back.
As per the condition.
जय रिपोर्टाप्रमाणे तू त्यामुळे स्टॉप वर्क करत
मैडम टाउन कंट्री प्लानिंग नो हिल कटिंग परमिशन दिलो ना 10 दिलो बोली इट्स नॉट एप्लीकेबल इट इज नॉट फॉलोइंग आई रेड जस्ट नो दैट हिल कटिंग ऑर्डर एपर थर्टी को
किलो 1 मीटर असो तरी परमिशन
बच्चे 1 मीटर जाता है
मीटर
और पण ते 1 मीटर हो ते 1 मीटर दोन
म्हणजे हो जे किती असो तर
Report दे.
1.10
1.10 किती असो तर नॉट मोर दॅन 1.5 मीटर आय थिंक सो
Gradient.
So, ma'am, we will not run around the bush. Now, to stop this work, you need his report.
Yeah.
How long,
It's a procedure.
how long will you take to give the report to Madam?
So, the area होल्डली आसा न्ही. I have to measure everything.
Yeah, very hard. My question is, how long you will take to give the report to Madam?
no no I have
I submit the report.
Before 1.
Before 1 p.m.
Before 1 p.m. Okay,
Before
everybody note down before 1 p.m. He's submitting the report. At 1 p.m. we're going to come here. Or 1:05 or 1:10.
And evening.
Madam is a get the show order
And
card.
madam, after the
As soon
report,
as I get this.
as soon as you get the report.
Ready is over, ready is over. And
Okay,
paisa
so you
everybody sign for.
keep the draft ready. Ready though, because this is happening today. You keep the draft ready. Once he gives you the report, you stop the work. Alas, finish.
Doctor.
Yeah, you
Lab
have
was-
Technical clearance order पडलेल्या TCP नो ते not licensed ना and license copy जर xerox copy दोन्ही मागे xerox copy आणून देऊन द्या मला
आपल्याला licensing authority. Licensing authority is municipality.
पाहिजे असं तुमच्या कॉपी करून दोन कॉपी करते
दोघं तो कॉपी मागतो TCP टेक्निकल ऑर्डर मध्ये आणि आमचे लायसन्स दिले त्याचे कंडिशन सगळी व्हायलेट झाले हा ना तुला ऍटलीस्ट 3 कंडिशन विल बी व्हायलेटेड बघा ते मस्त कॉपी
माझ्या हाताची कॉपी
So let him know without the company the report.
No, he
What is the next list? He is one for the. So what we do? Immediately at 1. You tell us when we can come. 1:15.
110 we
No,
can.
115 is the last rate. That-
हम दोनों एरिया नो अभी जो नहीं अभी जो नहीं गड़बड़ करो sufficient time.
No, 3 o'clock to tell you because we have to go to cancel.
One o'clock we'll come here.
हाँ वो क्या कहते
1
हैं?
o'clock we'll come
क्या
here.
कहते हैं?
Sign mark.
मॅडम माझे कोण
Okay, 2:30 come there.
ओके बरं.
2:30.
ओके
Okay, 2:30. Huh?
ओके.
2:30.
तर रेडी करून दो आणि गडबड करणार.
Board
आता लो.
Board आता लो.
भवार जाऊन पहिले काबार करूया. लोक 100-200 लोक या मध्ये.
आणि मेन मनी
तू थर्टी मध्ये
मॅडम सर नो
She's the but she has the power.
She has the power.
Use it. Use the power.
But who has given technical clearance? Other people know and she is signing.
No, we'll do now.
Yes, madam.
Right?
Thank you, madam.
No, don't give it to me.
Madam, can
या सांगणारे सांगितले पोलीस मध्ये बघा ऑफकोर्स
सुकल गया नहीं
Ya, mira, sukel lang.
Agak
Irfan,
कितें आयिल्लें आनी कितें जालें आनी कितें तुमकां सांगलां आतां
इशू आसा न्हू हो हिल कटींग म्हणटा हो बरो 4-5 म्हण जाले पूण कोणें तेजी एक्शन घेवना हांवें बिफोर आतां कोवीड चालू आसलेलें मार्चा स्टार्ट जालें सो तेजो हांवें बिफोर दॅट हांवें कोणें म्हाका कंप्लेन करूं ना हांवें पुलिशे कंप्लेन करून पुलिशे आपयले आनी ती हिल कार्टिंग जाता म्हणून हांवें कंप्लेन केलें पुलिशे आनी पुलीस येवन थिंगा ते ओनराक हाडलो तेणी हांवें म्हणून म्हाका कोण हिल कार्टिंग करता गाडी तें घेवन इन्स्पेक्शन म्हणजे ऑफिसां आपयलें आनी तेन्ना तेणी म्हाका लायसन्स दाखयलें TCP क्लियरन्स TCP दिलें मग तें फायनल जायना तें मागीर मिटींग म्युन्सिपाल्टीन घालपाक जाय म्युन्सिपाल्टी मिटींगे घालून ताका लायसन्स इश्यू केलें सो लायसन्स इश्यू केलें मग तेणी टर्म तें कंडिशन कितें घायल तें फॉलो करपाक काम कोणालें म्युन्सिपाल्टी टेक्निशियन आसा 2 इंजिनियर आसाय हांव टेक्निशियन न्हू कितें कर तेणी चोवपा जाय तें सो तेणी हें रॉंग केलां सो तेजेर तें लायसन्स दिला पूण तेजेर कांय एक्शन घेवना कितू हात थिंग पयल्यार कितू शिफ्टाटींग जालो सो तेणें कोणें एक्शन घेवना सो काल तेणें सगळे विलेजरांनी कुकरकारांनी मुवमेंट केलो आनी लोकां सायन घेवन हिस्टाटींग कंप्लेन केलो म्हाकाय तेणी आज रिक्वेस्ट केलो मागीर म्युन्सिपाल्टीचो यो म्युन्सिपल रिक्वेस्ट हांवें आनी हांवें सीओआर ऑर्डर दिला टेक्निशियन धाड तुगेले इंजिनियराक धाडून तें इन्स्पेक्शन कोर तुका लायसन्स कितू दिलां आनी कितू हिल कार्ड जाल्लें त्या प्रमाणे तें लायसन्स रिवोक करतलें आफ्टर गेटींग रिपोर्ट फ्रॉम द कन्सर्न इंजिनियर
केन्ना पर्यंत रिपोर्ट दिता म्हटलं तेणी
1 वरा पयलो ताका रिपोर्ट दिवपा लायला इंजिनियराक तो रिपोर्ट दिवन म्हणटकीर तें कित्याक कोण सोड तो लायसन्स रिवोक करतलो हांवें ऑर्डर दिला
बेसिकली लँड तरी सोसायटी
येना म्हाका कितें तें कोणा लँड म्हणटा सो तें आतां पेपराचेर पडटें कोण चॅक करपाचें म्युन्सिपाल्टीक हें काम म्युन्सिपाल्टी आतां
सेटलमेंट ही सेटलमेंट जो सेटलमेंट
लँड कसलें हें गा कसलें हें गा कोणाचें ओनरशीप कोणाली ना सो हें आतां तें चॅक करपाचें काम चॅक करपाचें टेक्निशियना लँड तें लायसन्स दिलां हूंय वॉट तें लायसन्स इश्यू केलें म्हाका खबर ना म्युन्सिपाल्टीन तेणी कंडिशन घालता फॉलो केलां तें आमकां तें करपाचें सो हेजेर हांव कारवाय हांव एक्शन घेतलो सो म्हाका रिपोर्ट हांवें मागितला आमी
कुकड्याकच कित्याक हिल कटिंगाचो
यो
सायडीच्यान दिश्टी पडटा
दोतोर यो यो
सो
यो
पेपरांनी आर्टिकल येता तेन्नाच MLA
एमएलएन पयलीं दिल्लें 4 म्हण पयलीं कंप्लेंट दिल्लें आनी पुलिशे हाडून हांवें एक्शन घेयलो तेन्ना सो तेन्ना म्हाका लायसन्स दाखयलें लायसन्स दाखयलें म्हणजे म्हज्यान म्हाका पावर ना तें बंद करपाक हांवें पुलीस हाडून म्हज्या हितून ऑफिसान हांवें तेका रिपोर्ट मागलेलो तर म्हाका रायट ना MLA मिनिस्टरा पासून रायट ना तें बंद करपाक टेक्निशियन तें करपाचें म्युन्सिपाल्टीन कितको लायसन्स दिलें विदाउट तेंगे हें घेयना आनी वॉटर रिसोर्स हेल्थ सायडीन NH हायवे तेंगे NOC घेयना तेणी कितको लायसन्स इश्यू केलें तें सडन पॉयंट आसा तें घेवन लायसन्स इश्यू करप नाजाल्यार जायना ना इश्यू लास्ट कितें जाता लास्ट सगळे MLA येता पूण हांवें मुगे काम हांवें केलां कोणें कंप्लेन केलां हांवें 4 म्हण पयलें कंप्लेंट दिवन पुलिशे सगळे हाडून इन्क्वायरी केला लायसन्स आज म्हणटरी आमी हें जालें सो फायनल ऑथॉरिटी म्युन्सिपाल्टी तेणी दिलां लायसन्स सो तेंगे काम सारकें पेपर चॅक करता टेक्निशियन ते कितू कट कोताय ते सो हांवें आज हो हें जाला आनी लोकांनी एकठांय जावन सो म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केलो काल म्हाका आपयला सो इमिडियटली हांवें टेक्निशियन हांवें धाडा तिला आनी आज बिफोर हे रिपोर्ट दितालो आमचे COEचे
ज्युनियर इंजिनियराक जे तुमी धाडला सायडीन रिपोर्ट तेजी तरी दोळ्या मुखार जे चलताले तो आनी कसले रिपोर्ट दितलो
तो दितलो आतां तो हें मेळटा
मिक्सिंग फिक्सिंग म्हळ्यार दिसता तो रिपोर्टाचे इतली टायम वेट करप
हें तो आतां वच आनी कावन्सिलराक पळयता ते आसाय तेका ते 100% कोकोड उरताय हांव म्हाका फूल मार्क्स करपाक जाय आनी म्हजें काम हांवें केलां म्हजें कंप्लेन हांवें दिलां म्हाका रिकॉर्ड आसतालें आनी हांवें तेका म्हज्या ऑफिसान आपूण हांवें गेलो आसा मिटींग तेंको कळ्ळें न्हू आतां बेटर तेंको विचारय तें केस घालता तेंक दिसपणा जाल्यार
दोतोर सांग कितें सांगतात ते आतां म्युन्सिपाल्टी
मुन्सिपल जाल्यार आमी सगळे कुंकळकार एकठांय जाल्यात देर नो पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन दॅट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू मेक बिकॉज वॉट वी हॅव सीन इज व्हेरी बॅड आमी तांचो टेक्निकल टिमाचो पळय ज्युनियर इंजिनियर पळय आसा ताका आमी विचारले आसा तुवें कितें कशें कंडिशन घातल्या काय म्हणून एक म्हणल्यार तो प्लॉट पळय आसा देर आर सम पीपल फ्रॉम द सोसेदाद द एग्रिकॉलर दे गांवकारी जो कुंकोलीम वेरोडा ते म्हणटा ऑन द कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन दॅट प्लॉट इज बींग शोन अंडर सोसेदाद. So there must be probably a ownership dispute also around of that particular property. We do not know. This is just an assumption. The Form 1, Form 14 is not an ownership document. That's number one. Number two, the plot Popagel died, it's a water aquifer. So सगळे आमच्यो दोंगर पडे आसा त्यो आमच्यो उदकाच्यो टांक्यो. That water is what we need for life. So if you start cutting them, then there will not be water available. Two, once habitation starts, the water aquifer is going to get polluted with all the septic tanks and all. That's another second question. Third one is, it is close by. 200 meter poise आमची न्हंय आसा थंय, इस्कुन्यारीक आसा. That joins directly our river Sal, which goes into the Arabian Sea. So when that river is so close by, the water body is so close by, Water Resource Department also should have taken cognizance when they are giving licenses. आमचं जे म्हणटा आपण म्हणटा तें कंडिशन घातिल्लें आसा बरें आसा, but have they brought an NOC from the Water Resource Department? Because if there is a water body, then you should refer it to the Biodiversity Board to make the necessary proper studies and then only give the licenses. That also is not there. 4, it is the national highway. On the western side of the national highway is this particular development that is happening. आता हो national highway जो पळय आसा आमचो, तातूंतल्यान 40 meters to 50 meters from the center of the road is being acquired for the expansion of the highway, because it is still not decided which side the highway will go, but it will divert only after the southern side of that Iskunyari. Okay. तो जर आसत जाय तेमी आतां कितें केल्या, ती थोडी पळय आशिल्ली तातूंतल्यान उदक वता पळय ती तेमी पुरयल्या. Can you do such type of work into the property of the government which government has already acquired? Another question that comes up. 4, if you look into the gradient that is there, ते पयले ओगी आशिल्ले, तांचे एक लेस बोर्ड घालूं ना, तातूंत अप्रुवल ना, लायसन्सीस ना, कांयच ना थंय. What they have suddenly done is they have started the hill cutting now. हे तेमी एक 4-5 दीस धरल्यात आनी तेमी ते आतां हिल कटिंग चालू केलें आसा. पयलीं तेमी हालीं चॉक मार्किंग घातिल्लें, थोडे श्रब्स काडले, थोडे आनी कितें आशिल्लें ते काडले, आनी सडनली they started now doing the work, but they are doing it only on Saturday, Sunday. That is what provoked the people of Kunkolim, and that's why all people of Kunkolim have come together to fight against this particular project. Whoever it is, don't try to cheat us. Go by the law. If you don't go by the law, we'll make you and force you to go by the law. Otherwise, the work is going to stop. So, आमी chief officer सांगिल्लें आसा, technical team is going to go back to see what they have done over there, because it's beyond the licenses that are being given by the TCP and the approval that are given by the Kunkolim Municipal Council. Based on that technical report, by 2 o'clock, we are going to come back again here, and then she is going to give the stop work order so that the work is going to be stopped and the licenses are going to be withdrawn. Okay, thank you.